Getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in just 24 hours sounds impossible, right? Most people will tell you it's fake, it's clickbait, or it only works for big creators who are already famous. But here's the truth: it is possible, and people do it every single day. Not with bots, not with paid subscribers, and definitely not with luck. In this video, I'm going to show you the real strategy behind rapid YouTube growth, the exact same system creators are using to explode from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, fast even on brand new channels. Make sure you watch until the very end, because missing just one step will completely kill your results. The biggest myth on YouTube is that to get subscribers, you need many videos, fancy, expensive equipment, or months of grinding and consistency. That is not true. You don't need 100 videos to reach 1,000 subscribers. You need one video that attracts the right viewers. YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards viewer response. If viewers click on your video, watch it, and then subscribe, YouTube sees that as a powerful signal and pushes your video harder to more people. That's the game. Think about it. A video that gets a massive positive reaction will always outperform 100 videos that get a mediocre one. So, the key isn't quantity, it's quality and impact. So why do most creators fail when they try to grow fast in 24 hours? It's because they chase the wrong things. They chase viral views instead of subscribers. They make videos on random topics instead of solving specific problems. And they focus on entertainment instead of providing real value. A video with 50,000 views can give you just 10 subscribers. But another video with only 5,000 views can get you 1,000 subscribers. The difference is the viewer's intent. People subscribe when they believe, "This channel will help me again in the future." They're not just looking for a one-off laugh. They're looking for a resource, a guide, an expert they can trust. When you understand this, you stop chasing empty views and start building a loyal community. If you want to get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, your video must do one thing, and one thing only: solve a painful problem clearly and quickly. Think about the types of videos people desperately search for. How to grow on YouTube, how to make money online, how to pass an important exam, how to fix a common, frustrating mistake. People subscribe when your content saves them time, saves them money, or saves them from stress. Your video needs to make a clear promise to the viewer, a clear result they can achieve, a clear timeline for getting it, and a clear benefit for watching. This is exactly why tutorial videos, strategy guides, and transformation stories convert viewers into subscribers at an incredible rate. They offer a solution, not just content. Now, this is the part where most people miss the boat. You do not rely on one long video alone to do all the heavy lifting. Here's the real strategy that top creators use. You need one high-value long video, combined with 3 to 5 YouTube shorts. Your shorts act as traffic machines, driving massive attention to your channel. Your long video is the conversion engine that turns that attention into subscribers. Each short should be short and snappy, about 15 to 30 seconds long. It should show a powerful result, tease the solution, and then point viewers directly to your full, in-depth video for the complete answer. Shorts bring the attention, the long video builds the trust. This combination is the secret sauce for explosive growth. People don't subscribe just because you ask them to. They subscribe because they believe in you and the value you provide. Your video has to subconsciously answer these critical questions in the viewer's mind. Is this person helpful? Do they explain things clearly and simply? Will I learn even more if I stay and watch more of their content? So, instead of just saying "please subscribe," try framing it with confidence. Say something like, "If you want more videos that will help you achieve this result, subscribe so you don't miss out." That one small change in your language makes a huge difference. It's not begging, it's offering. Confidence attracts subscribers far more effectively than neediness ever will. In the first 24 hours after you publish, YouTube is watching your video's performance very closely. It's looking at a few key metrics: your click-through rate, your average watch time, your engagement like comments and likes, and especially the number of subscriptions you gain. If people are subscribing while they're watching your video, YouTube's algorithm sees that as an extremely positive signal. It tells the system that your video isn't just entertaining, it's valuable. That's when the algorithm steps in and starts promoting your video to a much wider audience. YouTube doesn't care about your current channel size, it only cares about viewer satisfaction. A brand new channel with a highly satisfying video can outrank a massive channel with a mediocre one. Let's be honest, not everyone who tries this will hit 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. It's a goal, not a guarantee, but this is the fastest, most legitimate strategy available today. There's no cheating, no risk of getting your channel banned, and no long-term damage. It's all about providing real value. If you focus on value, viewer intent, and smart distribution using both shorts and long-form content, your growth becomes predictable and sustainable. If you're serious about your YouTube success in 2026 and beyond, it's time to start using the platform the right way. Subscribe for more real growth strategies, and I'll see you in the next video.